So I was wondering if this gets the devil out of me. This holy water. Holy water. So, do you drink it? Mom, do you drink this? Mom, do I have to drink this to get the devil out of me? I guess not. Oh, yeah. Okay, wait right here for a second. Okay, so talking about Nerf, the Retaliator has a mag that I obviously changed it because that's one. Okay, and I have this that I can plug it on this. It was on another gun, but I destroyed it. And so you get this. You have your gun. I don't even know how to charge. Yeah, I don't want it. Just a nice enough. I'm loading 6 bullets because I don't want to waste other bullets. So I have this. Make sure you can see the barrel. Hey! Oh, got you. Got you. Hey, go hide. I got you too. Oh, okay, so you get this gun and then you can customize it. It's almost like a modular, so you can cut. So you can customize it more. Like it has like another part, so you can put another like this, like connect it. Like it has this, then you connect it to this. Like, let me get the other piece. Okay, so this is the piece where the gun actually comes from. This thing pulls up, you can snap it. So you take this off and you put this. You can have a longer barrel and looks cool. But if you take this, you put this in, put this in. It's gonna look even higher, but it increases like lower it gets. When it shoots there, it doesn't have like enough protection because all the protections goes like so that it comes even slower. But if you shoot and close, it will have a lot of protection. I like my gun more like in it like this. Then shoot it. So that's it.